Scaling recipes in ChefTech. On the secondary button bar, click on the Scale button. Recipes may be scaled by altering the quantity of the yield or the number of portions. These values may be increased or decreased to scale the recipe. Once you've entered the desired quantity, click on the Apply button. Then click OK, and the ingredients will now reflect the quantities for the scaled recipe. Recipes may also be scaled by altering the quantity of a single ingredient. Within the Scale function, click on the By Item button. From the Item drop-down, select an ingredient within the recipe. Next, enter the new quantity for the selected ingredient. Then click OK. Click OK again within the Scale Recipe function, and now the ingredients will reflect the quantities in relation to the scaled ingredient. You may restore the recipe back to its original quantity. Click on the Scale button, then click on the Restore button. Click OK, and now the ingredients will reflect the original quantities.